Welcome to a new lecture, and today we are going to study about cosine law in trigonometry. Consider triangle ABC with angle A, angle B and angle C. Opposite to angle A we have side A, opposite to angle C we have side C, and opposite to angle B we have side B. Cosine law states that a square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, b square plus c square, minus 2 times the product of other two sides times cosine of that angle for which we are finding the side. So a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Similarly, if we have to find either angle b or side length b, we will be using the formula b square equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b, or c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. So either we can find an angle using the inverse or the side length. Let us work on a question here. Here the triangle ABC, we are given two sides, AB, which is opposite to angle C here. Opposite to angle A, we have BC as 20 meters. And we have to find AC, which is B and which is unknown. Angle B is given as 125 degrees. So as we have to find B, we will use this formula here. So B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Now we will substitute the values. So B square is equal to 20 square plus 35 square minus 2 times 25, 55 times cos 125. If you see here, before starting the question, I already wrote down the values and this helps a lot. So 20 square will be 400, 35 square will be 1225 and 2 times 20 times 55 and cos 125 will be a positive sign here plus 1261.87. On adding, we will get b square equal to 2886.87. Taking the square root on both sides, we will get b value as 53.73 meters. In question number 2, we have a triangle DEF and all the three sides are given. But we have to find the three angles, angle D, angle F and angle E. Again, using the formula a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos of a. Here we will tweak the formula a bit. It will become f square equal to e square plus d square minus 2ed cos f. Again, this angle and the side you are finding should be the same. Because we are finding the angle, we will substitute the values. So 14 square is equal to 9 square plus 6 square minus 2 times 9 times 6 cos f. Simplifying it further, 14 square is equal to 196, 9 square is equal to 81, 6 square 36 minus 2 times 9 times 6, which is negative 108 cos f. Solving it further, 196 is equal to 117 minus 108 cos f. Taking 117 on the other side and subtracting it from 196, we get 79 equal to negative 108 cos f. Dividing both sides by negative 108 here. So cos f is equal to negative 0.7314. Taking inverse on both sides, that will be cosine inverse, we get angle F equal to 137 degrees. Now we have found angle F, which is 137 degrees. We can use sine law or cosine law because this topic is on cosine law, so we will be using cosine law only. So E square is equal to F square plus D square minus twice FD cos E. So now we are finding angle E. We can even find angle D after this, so whichever angle you want to find first, you are free to go with it. So E square will be 9 square, F value is 14, so 14 square, D value is 6, so 6 square, minus 2 times FD will be 2 times 14 times 6 times cos E. So 81 is equal to 196 plus 36 minus 168 cosine of E. 81 is equal to 232 minus 168 cos E. Again, take 232 on the other side. 81 minus 232 will be negative 151 equal to negative 168 cosine of E. Dividing both sides by negative 168, we get cos E is equal to 0.8988. I always write it up to 4 decimal places. So angle E will be cos inverse of 0.8988. Angle E is 25.99. Round it off, it will be 26 degrees. Now using sum of angle in a triangle which is equal to 180 degree. So angle D will be 180 minus sum of the other two angles which is 136 plus 26, that is equal to 17 degrees. Thanks for watching.